Hello everyone, this is Amar Yunus once again, and happy Eid to everyone who is celebrating. Unfortunately, it is very strict lockdown in Uzbekistan, but we just came out with our friends and colleagues to see what's going on, and we are heading towards one of our friend to do some barbecue because in terms of festivals we don't have much choice. This is one of the biggest festivals, and we don't want to miss this, especially when we are in a new country. So I am with Professor Hamid and Professor Davindra, and while we were heading towards this very beautiful place in the capital of Uzbekistan, in Tashkent, Mustaqillik Medan, we were discussing about different types of professions, and the discussion was going around that what is the best profession for someone, how you can recommend to your students which profession they should adopt. So we have reached to this conclusion that the best profession is the combination of your hobbies and your habits. So if you are able to make money out of your hobby, or if you are able to make money out of your good habits, then this will be considered as your best profession. This is the best choice. There is a stereotype about it that your hobbies and your habits and your professions, they are static. You don't change them, you cannot change them. But I personally think that your habits and your hobbies, they change with the passage of time. So you can change your habits, you can change your hobbies, and you can change your profession as well. You might have heard your grandparents saying, for example your grandfather saying that once when I was very young I could swim 3 kilometers, or you might have heard someone saying that like 5 years ago he was able to run 20 kilometers. So now he cannot do this, and this is something which depends on his energy. So we can say that your hobbies and your habits, they are bound by some other factors, for example resources, energy, time, stamina, passion. And when you lose this passion, when you lose this energy, you change your habit, you change your hobbies. Similarly, it happens with your profession. If you are not passionate about your profession, you can change your profession always. Many people, they like to play piano because it was their hobby, but now they don't do this. Many people, they like to read books. Now they don't want to read this. So these types of things show us that your hobbies, your habits, they change with the passage of time. And if you are able to make your hobby your profession, or if you are able to make your habit your profession, then you are a successful professional. For example, if you love to read books, if you are passionate about books, book reading is your hobby, and your habit is to buy books. So the best profession, the best career is something which is related to the books. So if you become a librarian, you will not only make money, but you will enjoy, because this profession is the combination of your habits and your hobbies. You will be in library where you will have access to books. You can read your books for free. You can even buy cheap books and make your own library. So this profession is something which will make you happy. And the best profession is when you adopt this profession, you don't care about money, you don't care about time. It sets you free from time and space. I mean, if you are enjoying your profession, you love to do it all the time. You don't do this for money, you don't do this for anyone, you do this for yourself. So my advice is that look for your habits and hobbies, and if you are worried about your profession, make or select a profession which includes your hobbies or habits. Now for doing this, I give you a simple formula what you can do. You can make a list of those things which you do every day. So observe your habit for next 30 days, make a list of those things which you do every day, and then select on the 30th day, select those things which you can do for your full life. So this will be your profession. If you read every day, or if you sit on computer every day and you don't feel bored, at the 30th day you can take a decision that your career should be related to books or computer. So make a list of those things which you do every day, and on the 30th day select those things which you can do for your whole life, and this will be your best profession. And do remember that your hobbies, your habits, and your career, your profession, it is not static, it is dynamic. It can change with the passage of time, and you have full choice, full autonomy to change it. So make a list of those things which you do every day. On the 30th day, on the last day of this month, make a list and select those things which you can do for your full life. This is your ideal career. So this is Ammar Yunus, and once again happy Eid, and we will see you soon once again. Take care. Bye.